We're in Roatan, Honduras. Going to see some sloths and monkeys.
Like 50 people in the group.
There's a way.
Any of those flies bite you? Man, I got like 7 fly bites here last time.
We're in a group of 28, being led by Huddle Adventures. I hope we'll make it. We were in group number 2, and you'll see people reference that throughout the video. So we made it to the end of the pier. We've only lost 3. I think we're doing pretty good. If you come to Roatan, you don't have any excursions booked, you can come right here just at the end of the port, and this is the taxi stand, and they'll tell you what they offer and let you get hooked up with a taxi or a tour guide. Just remember, this isn't guaranteed to get you back on time. We had to walk way down the street to get on our bus. Kind of crazy. That's the traffic.
Hello everybody, welcome to Roatan. We are the real deal in Roatan.
Say hello everybody.
Hello.
Nice and tight.
We're number 2.
Monkey lover.
We're number 2.
We're number 2. We're number 2. We're really one number 1. Like
9,000 people, 25% are from other countries. United States, Canada, and we also have Czech Village 1 and Czech Village 2 from people from the Republic Czech.
I'm gonna have to take over, and I don't really know anything. I got it. Hey, where y'all from?
So the clown bus is unloading. 28 people. It was fun. There's another option here at Roatan. They have 4-wheelers as well as zip lines.
The reason we're standing is because one lady decided to come with us, so it's 29 in our bus. It's not 28, it's 29. Okay. So that's why we're standing, because she was supposed to do zip line, but she said no. So she came with us. So we got 29, not 28. All right, 29. So that's why we got another extra pass.
Just leave me downstairs.
Y'all, it's like who's the crew going on?
You're gonna enjoy.
In case the monkey trying to go to your pocket, guys, I'm going to be your brakes. Yes, Dean, the monkey's going to my pocket, and I'm going to stop him for you. Why reason? If you guys trying to do it, he was trying to bite to protect himself, trying to get whatever you got like food to eat, okay? Yes, ma'am, you can take it.
I'm worried about my hearing aid.
He's not going to go to that box. No hearing aids, no earrings.
What you got? Hello.
What's that? Dexter?
What kind are they?
These are the white-faced capuchin, guys. White-faced capuchin.
How old?
They're 9 years and a half. They can live to 44 years old. In captivity, in the wild, they live less than 20 to 25. Dexter? Dexter? Okay guys, this gum right here.
We can't go on there. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Stay right there. I'm gonna make the noise.
it.
It's awesome. Yeah, we got pictures.
The only thing we're going to do for them guys, they have huge nails. We're always going to hug them, carry them like a baby. One hand on there supporting them, and one on their back. We're going to happen after. They're just going to drop their arms around our shoulder without digging in and poking us, guys. You guys are going to do fine. They don't bite. Remember,
Well, let me over here, Mike.
Today's not the day.
Hear that? Sloths only poop once a week, and today's not the day.
Okay. Ready? There, bro, look. Permítame un segundo.
Your sloth boss, your name is Betty.
We're gonna back that away. Do you have to cut their nails?
No, the nails they use it to climb the tree.
I got his
And they only eat 6 grams a day. Él no la ha detenido todavía. Él no la ha detenido todavía.
He's got to go to his mommy now.
But we had to stand up on ours.
Yeah, we did. We had to keep the door open. Guy hanging out the door.
Yeah. Well, our guide hung out the door.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Fun.
Have a good day. If you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything, and it helps out my channel. I appreciate it. Thanks.
I'm not gonna feed him, guys.
Pull them out here.
Where'd you get that? Out of my bag.
Uh-oh.
Tail is for free handsability.
Yeah, what you gonna do, honey? I don't have a hat on. I'm sorry.
Someone else? Someone did get a picture?
There you go. Come on.
Right here, Mama. You're not singing it, right?
I try to get you in there.
Yeah, you know, right? That's smart, guys.
What's a drink to go with his what's the drink to go with his banana?
Come over here, Mama, and you get a better picture, okay? When you're too close to that cage, she's scared of that other monkey.
Oh, okay.
Get in front of him. Then you're going to get him better and calmer. Better picture. When you're too close to that cage, the other one just sneaking enter and grab this one from the tail and bite it. You will not get on people that are too close to that cage. Bunko?
There you go. Yummy. Dips it in water and one in there.
Same thing he do with the peanut.
Puts it in the water.
Yes, sir. Soften it up. Just walk out the door, man. You will jump. They know they have to stay in the cage,
Just a little up the top.
Just squat up the way, man. So I can have room with the wheelchair.
No.
Alright, inside. Good boy. Inside. Hell, they sound like dogs fighting.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Hi, everybody.
What's going on, everybody? Here's my buddy Don.
How's it going?
We went and did the sloths and monkeys in Roatan.
Yeah.
How'd you think?
I enjoyed myself. Really crowded,
Yes, it was very
but
good.
the sloths and monkeys as always are darn cute. So if you've never done sloths, and you have a soft spot in your heart for animals, you got to do sloths and things.
Yep.
Yeah. How about you?
I had a lot of fun. The bus ride was a little packed.
Yeah, we were standing up on our bus, so.
Same here.
But we had a good time.
Yep.
Any day on the cruise is better than a day at work.
Yep. See ya.
So that finger in my ear was Mike from the Naughty Cruiser.
Small kids from first grade to sixth grade, they go from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. 12:30 to 5 o'clock, go 7th grade to 9th grade. 5:30 to 9 p.m. at nighttime, go 9th grade to 12th grade. So that's our school period because we only got 8 public schools. Other than that, we got a lot of private schools, and we only got a private university in the island. The public one, we have to go to the mainland to get free education for university in the mainland.
Well, there's also milk chocolate. You can get milk chocolate.
Hello, we got 4 chocolate. Got 1 for together with a box of Okay, guys, welcome to Roatan Chocolate Factory. Our tour going on for 5 to 3 minutes. You want to work yourself up the stairs and then work yourself back up. In the sexy white dress skirt. Right on her, exactly. Jenny, she's going up the stairs.
Welcome to the chocolate factory. That's a tiny camera. Hello.
It's cute. Hola, please have a seat.
It's incredible how these little things can help us. But you know, one cold drink contains more calcium than cow milk just before our bones, right? And they also contain 45 times more antioxidants than the blueberries. It's good for brain function, blood pressure, and also improve our cardiovascular system.
Chocolate vodka. Doesn't taste like chocolate to me. 5 bars for how much?
30.
30?
Yes, sir.
I tried several of the samples, but I'm not a fan of dark chocolate, and a lot of it's pretty pure, so it tastes a lot like dark chocolate.
It's not, but they didn't have any.
Sorry.
I'm gonna let other people get in there.
Welcome, guys, to the Roatan Chocolate Factory. As you can see, you're inside of our small chocolate factory where we produce all of our chocolate bars. So, the first step of making chocolate is going to begin with cocoa beans. That is the source of all chocolates. And these are wildly grown cocoa beans imported from our rainforest on the mainland. It's called the Plantain River biosphere. Our beans from over there already came fermented and sun-dried. They were hand-picked and sent to us so that we could begin the chocolate process. Once we receive the beans here, we first roast them for 30 minutes and then we're going to shell them in a winnover machine. Once the beans are already shelled, they're going to come out looking like this. As you can see, to these we call the cocoa nibs, and this is chocolate at its 100%. We're gonna pass these nibs into that electrical grinder there that's gonna grind it down and give us a paste. That paste is called licor de cacao. It's very bitter because it's still chocolate at its 100%, and that is one of the main reasons why it can be deadly for some animals. And the cocoa fruit is one of the very few fruits that's not eaten by any or no animal at all. This pod can carry from 20 up to 50 seeds per fruit. And ironic, it takes 35 of these beans to make 1 chocolate bar. So, 1 pod equals 1 chocolate bar. Our paste, we then bring it to cook for 5 hours in a larger frying machine that's on the other side of this building. There, we'll be adding our cane sugar and powdered milk for making milk chocolate. And those are the only two ingredients in our chocolate bars because we here provide 100% organic chocolate bars. They do not carry no artificial colorings, flavors, additives, or extra oils, what makes them not easy to melt. And after cooking, that's where we place them into these tempering machines here. What this machine does is cooling and heating, refining and shining our chocolate for 2 hours. This is also where we add our flavors that are 9, which we extract directly and organically from their source. After tempering, this is the final step of the chocolate, so the chocolate is ready. We scoop it out from the tempering machine and into the molds that are these two to give them their shape. Once our chocolate is then inside of the molds, we're then going to pass them to vibrate to take out the air bubbles, and then we're going to refrigerate them according to the type of chocolate we're making. Once the chocolate bars have been solidified, that's where we remove them from the molds, and then we're going to hand wrap and hand tag each one of them. In this small factory here, we produce from 900 up to 1,000 bars of chocolate per day, every day. Wow. And once our chocolates are ready, they're being ready to be sold, export, or consumed. Now, do you guys have any questions?
Can you eat the nib?
Yes.
You can, right?
Yes. It's very bitter though, for dark chocolate lovers, of course. You can, would you like to try it? Okay, go ahead. Those are freshly roasted. Don't be afraid. So you're going to shell it as I did, yeah? And you can eat those like any other nuts. Like if you eat a peanut, a walnut, yeah. They also have 44% more antioxidants than blueberries and 80% more calcium than from milk, which can reduce the risk of you having a heart attack or a stroke. It improves your mood and eases PMS issues.
It's really good.
Yeah. Well, guys, thank you so much for listening. Thank you for stopping by. And now comes the best part. On the outside tables, we'll have the free samples of the chocolates so you guys can try them all. And I hope you enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
In Honduras, in case you need to go to the bathroom, here's the men's room. Right there on that tree.
When in Honduras, do as Honduras do.
On our way to the rum factory. All loaded up on the bus.
I was hoping the rum company was going to be a factory that actually showed them making it or showed you how they made it, but it's just a store. But it does have one heck of a view off the back of it, as you'll see later on in the video. But they do have a lot of options, and they do let you taste them as well as the rum cake, which you'll see shortly.
The mango.
So Laura, what are you getting from the
So
rum factory?
I'm getting my assistant 151 proof rum cake, and then I just tried the Island Original, and I thought that was the best one, so I got one of those too.
They even have a couple flavors of Roatan coffee right back here at the back of the building, just before you go out to see the view. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and go check out the other channels that were featured in here. Edna's World, Don's Family Vacations, and my friends Laura and Eddie over at Huddle Adventures. Thanks.